I'll listen to one each one of them. ठीक है? But just one by one. No one will make any noise. You want to say something?
Yes. What about the other people you release?
We will release them. No? That's what I'm saying. No.
It took 2 days.
Yes.
You just release them.
Yes, I will release. No, this.
Oh.
Sir, video बन रहा है ना? Okay. Now you tell me. ठीक है? See, we caught lot of people on that day. You also know from this side also we caught lot of people, from this side also, from that area also we caught a lot of people. We
Yes.
took verification and we released them. You know that thing?
Yeah.
I am telling you that thing. Huh? But if those were caught doing certain suspicious activity on that day, ठीक है? So they have to be properly investigated and they will be released if they are not involved in it. Why are you guys always coming?
Because of what? I saw people who hang you. That's
You
why.
have reasonable restriction, I have told you. Now, if you want to protest, you make this line and protest. But don't block this road.
We are making a diversion. It's okay. We are making
No, not on this road. ठीक है? Not on.
Bye.
See,
Bye.
right to movement भी एक fundamental right है ना? Right to free movement is also fundamental. Hey, I'm listening. Huh?
There's a lot of people. More than 100. You catch only 2 days.
Yes, that's why now I will catch more also. I will catch more also. I am telling you now, I will catch more. ठीक है? But if we will have proper evidences, ना, then only we'll do everything. ना, उनके खिलाफ we have something. हाँ, and investigation होने दो ना. Why are you guys ऐसा? There is some law ना.
My God, it's too much.
There is some law ना. There is some law. ठीक है? लॉ होगा तभी होगा ये सब चीजें. ठीक है? अब आप लोग साइड हो जाओ. Let the movement be. ठीक है? Let the movement be.
No need to go.
We will release. I will give you.
No need to go.
Hey, phone number no. Run. Phone number no.
How many people
Don't
take this boy?
I will give you every information. I will give every information. You want to give your phone number? Who want to give his phone number? Give it to me. I will personally give you all the information. ठीक है?
How many hours? What? How many hours will you wait them? We will wait for them. How many hours?
There is nothing to wait. I have told na. You wait.
We already wait.
See, how much you have to think there is some process.
You need to confirm that.
Only police station, we don't have only one case. We have a lot of pendency of cases now. So we have to investigate each and every case now. So it will take little time. But why are you guys worrying? They are in safe custody now. They are in safe custody.
We are in safety. That's why.
If they are not involved in anything now, they will be released. I'm telling you. You have confidence that they have not done anything. You have confidence. That they have not. You have confidence. You have confidence.
What about the rest?
You are not carrying our side.
I will listen to this guy first.
No, these guys are. We are
You want to see? You have confidence that they have not done anything. You can give me in writing that they have not done anything.
We are
If you will write this, I will release them. If you can write this, you can write this. You can write this or not? Hey, you can write this or not?
How come it took so long for our people in the rest to rise the
That's what I am saying. Na, there is some due process that have to be followed. अगर कुछ evidences है, if we are having some evidences, so they have to follow the due process. ना, यार, you know law. हाँ, कौन सा class पढ़ा है? You are in college. You are in college. BA. So you are so educated. You know everything. Na, then.
I know, but
You know everything. Then you convince them, na, that there is some process. You convince them.
Listen to him.
you listen to me. Let me say one thing.
You take this boy first. Yeah. Yeah, I'm not getting good vibes.
Look, I'll say, I want to say something.
Wait here, but you have to open this road. This is not under article.
Okay,
So whatever you are saying, I am giving you every logic of this. I am also listening to your demand. I am not saying na.
Just
you are
listen for
wrong.
him.
मैं बोला तुमको कि you are wrong. I told you.
Sir?
I have not said anything na. I am not saying. I am saying you are for right purpose. That is fine. But there is some
waiting for the right here.
नहीं but ऐसा नहीं होता है ना. This is not how it is done. You are also done BA. You have also done BA.
Yeah.
Which year you passed? So see, you are also educated. You also know that we don't have only one case. We have pendency of cases. We have a lot of cases. So we have to take care of every cases. Now, if you just say, "Ki yaar, in this way we will come and you just release our boy," this is the only case that we are having. This will not do, na?
Okay,
I am telling you, we will follow all the procedure. We will do everything that is possible. But you cannot do.
okay,
Open kar do.
okay. I want to say something.
We know which is the process.
See, you come to my office. We will talk privately.
Can I just say one thing? Can I just say one thing? You got a lot of people that night, right? Yes, but the two of
See,
the rest of them, you release and the two of them
I am
took 2
telling
days.
what is the difference between them and them. They were just moving. They were suspiciously moving. That's why we caught. And we did the character verification. Those boys were caught from the location where they were damaging the property. There is difference between these two. You understand this? We have not caught any random people. And we have not released any random people. ठीक है? Don't worry. If they have not done anything, we will release them. Don't worry. I am